Hi, so today we are going to go with a double cleansing set. So what's on the double cleansing set? It consists of Fruity Gentle Cleansing Milk, and then we will going to have this vitamin C foam cleanser. For the first step is we are going to use Fruity Gentle Cleansing Milk, sorry. So just put a small amount to your palm. Massage it all over your face. Make sure that it will be evenly distributed. Okay, so this cleansing milk will remove all the makeups that you have, because makeup wipes don't really entirely clean your face actually. And then don't forget to take this double side facial puff and just remove it all onto your skin here. You just drag it all. See. So after removing it with this, we would like to have this vitamin C foam cleanser to remove all the oils that you have in your face. So just put it onto your palm. So we are going to wash it off. Wash your face. So I just washed off my face using this double cleansing set. So much fresher and energized. My skin feels so fresh and new. Okay, so that's all for double cleansing set. Thank you.